This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about baking cups, specifically these Panificio Tulip baking cups. They come in 9 colors, so you have some fantastic and vibrant color options. And we have here the brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, pink, which you can see is a beautiful pale pink, and finally white, giving you lots of different color options to choose from. And they're a nice, beautiful 4-ounce size, which is great for baking cupcakes and muffins. So the tulip shape dresses up just about anything and gives you that extra special touch, a little bit of flair and style for your baked goods, and the colors are a great way to stay on brand. Whether it's a pop of yellow to match the decor in your bakery, or a little bit of purple to go with the theme of an event, you've got lots of options to execute here to easily dress things up, and that usually means that they need less decoration, which is a great efficient time saver for people running bakeries or cafes. The premium paper liners in these are attractive, colorful options that have a grease-resistant lining, so it's going to keep those greasy foods from showing through. It's going to help keep the colors on the outside true, which is fantastic, and they're also recyclable, which is great for cleanup. Makes it nice and easy. So these are fantastic for events and food establishments, whether you're a cafe, a coffee cart, a bakery, caterers who are looking to coordinate with themes of events, or maybe just stay on brand with the colors for your business. And the pops of colors are also a great way to attract business too. There's nothing as eye-catching as some bright little shades to draw people in and bring them over to your establishment, especially if you're running something like a coffee cart. In addition, these are safe up to 425 degrees in the oven and can be also put in the freezer, which is fantastic if you're doing some production and you need to make things ahead of time and pop them in the freezer, pull them out later when they're ready to be used. So these are a great option for cafes, bakeries, and other food establishments, but they're also fantastic if you're planning parties or events or just doing some baking at home. It's a great way to dress up your baked goods for the next bake sale.